Alright, I'm about to test these engines and see how many of these work or how many I will be able to wake up. Let's try it. So I got this brand new set like a week ago and I had not time to set it up or open it yet, but anyways I will show you guys later, and as soon as I get a chance. Let's keep going with this. So I remove all the screws from these engines just to speed up the process. I don't want to make you bore you. Okay, this one definitely is not working. I'm gonna give them a little spark. Let's see. No, it's dead. Alright, later. Okay, here is Edward, glow in the dark. It looks like it tries to move. Oh, the switch is a little loose. See? We'll find out how to fix that problem. Good, Edward. Okay. Now this is a hero right here. Hero. Let's try these batteries. No. I want to give him a little spark. Am I doing it the wrong way? No, I don't know. Oh, it looks like it tried to move. Nope. Maybe I'm doing it wrong anyways. Okay, Percy. I want to give him a little bit more voltage. Okay. I put it in 5 volts, see if it works. There you go. Percy is awake. Okay, let's speed up the process. It's gonna take forever. Gordon. Gordon is working. Excellent. Okay, we got Thomas. Thomas right there. Oh. And it's working. Excellent. Good, Thomas. Next, Thomas.
Full steam ahead.
It works. I mean, it makes the sound, but I think the batteries are really low. Let's try again.
I must not delay. I have more jobs to do.
No.
I'm on my...
Gotta find out what's wrong with this Thomas. It will be a good video to find out what the problem is with this talking Thomas. Okay, one more Thomas, and it's working. Trackmaster 2. Okay, see, I got a lot of Thomas right there, and I gotta test all to make sure they work. Okay, stay. This is not working. A little corrosion right there. Oh, okay, a little problem again with the switch. We will find out soon. This will be a good video to find out the problem. Okay, it's working now. Excellent. One more Thomas. This is missing a battery. Let's see. And it's working. There you go. Thomas. No. Okay. New batteries. Good, working. Cool. Now we have a talking Percy.
I must be on time.
This is definitely working. This is fine. So we got the other
I'll
Thomas.
jump in a puff to be there.
Okay, this one works. Talking Thomas. I think this is a remote control Thomas, but I'm gonna change the batteries just in case. I'm not really a fan of Trackmaster 2, so I have no idea. Yeah, it should be RC Thomas. I don't have a remote. Okay, Ryan. Let's see if Ryan works. Excellent, Ryan is working excellent. So this Ryan was a good buy for me. And we have right here Bash. Yep, Bash. It's not working. We are about to wake up Bash. Right there. That. Most people think because of the engine is not running, it's not, I mean, it's trash. But you know, as myself and you guys know right now, as of today, that these engines can just need a wake up. Okay, enough talking. Rusty is sleeping. Let me give him 5 volts. No. Try again. Noisy Rusty. The switch is a little loose and it's working. Okay, excellent. Now Henry is not moving at all. Okay, it works. Nice, fine. Now, Ferdinand, this I have to screw it all the way in to make it work. There's no other way to make it run until you put the screw. Okay, Ferdinand works. It's a little noisy. Yeah. The gear and the axle, I'll turn it off. Okay, the axle gear it's broke, so this will be a good demonstration. I don't know if you already done this, but it's going to be a good video. Now Spencer, oh la la, can you see that? The batteries explode inside. Okay, let's see. Maybe it runs. Let's find out. Nope. Dead. Spare parts. Charlie. Okay. Charlie is working. Excellent. Okay, glow in the dark Thomas. Glow in the dark Thomas is working. Excellent. Another good engine. Okay. Toby. Oh, what's going on, Toby? Park. Okay. Nope, batteries are dead. Let's try a new one. And it's working. Toby is perfectly working. Nice. Fine. Okay. Talking diesel. No. Let's see with the new batteries.
I'm full of surprises.
Excellent. Let's move on. Time is running. Diesel 10. Let's see. Diesel 10 is sleeping engine. I'm about to wake him up. There you go. See that? Easy fix. It's not a fix, it's just waking up the engine. This whole thing is working. Cool. And we have Bert. Let's see Bert. Aha. Bert is working too. Excellent. A lot of dust. Oh man. Okay. Donald. Forgot to unscrew Donald. It's taking forever. Okay, Donald. No, not working. It's not working. Okay, I'm gonna give him 4 volts. Yeah, it's working now. You hear the noise? There's a lot of noise. I already done the restoration, but I may make another one since that video went up, skyrocketed. Edward looks like the wires are okay, so I'm gonna try. Maybe it runs, maybe not. Okay. Maybe a little. Oh, it's working. Somehow works smooth, but there is a lot of stuff in there. See that? When it moves, I think it moves. I'll turn on the switch again. See if it moves. Yeah, it's working. It's nice because it's a running engine. No, the others will not work. This definitely is has a broken wire. And a remote control Thomas, it's not gonna work anyways. So that's all for today's waking up engines on the unboxing from eBay. Well, thanks for watching and see you on next video. Thank you. Bye.